Welcome to our channel. The black screen of death on Vizio TV is a common issue that can often be resolved with systematic troubleshooting. Follow these steps to fix this problem. Step 1. Check if your TV is receiving power by looking for any indicator lights on the front panel, usually at the bottom center. Step 2. Try turning the TV on using both the remote and the power button on the TV itself to rule out remote control issues. Step 3. Unplug your Vizio TV from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This power cycle can reset the system. Step 4. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain residual power from internal components. Step 5. Check all cable connections, including HDMI cables, power cord, and any external devices. Disconnect and reconnect them securely. Step 6. Try a different HDMI input by pressing the input button on your remote and cycling through each port to see if one works. Step 7. Perform a factory reset by holding the input and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds while the TV is on. Step 8. If the issue persists after all these steps, the problem may be hardware related, such as backlight failure, requiring professional repair or replacement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.